Today, I'll walk you through how to upload bills to Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your bills efficiently so you can keep your finances organized and up to date. To begin, sign in to your Xero account. Think of this as unlocking the door to your financial hub. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu here, click on Purchases and then select Bills. This is where you'll manage all your incoming expenses. Next, click on the New Bill dropdown and choose Upload Bills. This step is like selecting the right tool from your toolbox, ensuring you have what you need to get the job done. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero often updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. Now it's time to select a bill file from your computer. Imagine this as picking a document from a stack on your desk. Xero will then process the file and display the bill details for you. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as Xero is doing the heavy lifting to extract the necessary information. Once the bill details are displayed, review the information and make any necessary changes. This step is akin to proofreading a letter before sending it out, ensuring everything is accurate and ready to go. Finally, click Save to create the bill. Your uploaded bill will now appear in your bills list, just like placing a completed document into your filing cabinet for future reference. And that's how to upload bills to Xero. By following these steps, you can streamline your bill management process and maintain a clear financial overview. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.